So you might be using the most premium cutting-edge optics for your network. However, you might not know that tiny specks of dust or debris on your connectors can severely impact the reliability of your network. Thankfully, we've got an all-in-one solution just for that. This is a complete ProLabs fiber cleaning kit. It includes everything you need to keep your optics clean and reliable, and it all comes in this durable soft case bag with padded protection, as well as a bunch of extra pockets. Let's now take a look at all the tools inside the bag. These are the optical connector clip cleaners with a super easy to push and click design. These clip cleaners ensure perfectly clean connectors and adapters every time. In the kit, you'll also get 100 pieces of our optical transceiver cleaning sticks. These cleaning sticks have ESD-free adhesive soft tips to extract any sort of particle from your LC type transceivers. They're specifically designed to make sure your transceiver's laser or receiver do not get damaged. These cleaning sticks are so reliable that we use these in our own production processes. Next, we have our fiber cleaning cassettes. When cleaning connectors, it's sometimes more efficient to utilize a flat surface instead of a fine-tip tool. In a convenient form factor, the ProLabs cleaning cassette has an anti-static microfiber cleaning belt where you simply drag the connector across and then all the unwanted particles come right off. Now, no matter how effective the tools may be, you need to be able to diagnose exactly how dirty the connectors are. Our Simplex optical fiber microscope lets you quickly find dust and debris in your Simplex connectors. It's a battery-powered microscope capable of 200x and 400x fixed magnification levels. With accessible focus knobs for easy adjustments, anyone on your team can use this microscope to diagnose your optics. And now, you can get your own in one comprehensive kit. Maintaining clean connections between optical devices is crucial to keeping your network links performing at their best. If you're interested, please visit our website or contact us today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're looking for more networking insights like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next video.